Most people think confidence is something you are born with, that some people just have it and others don't. But that's not true. Confidence is not a gift, it's something you build piece by piece, choice by choice, action by action. You don't wake up confident, you become confident by doing the things that scare you, by showing up when your mind screams not to. See, everyone wants to feel ready before they start, but confidence does not come before action, it comes after. You take the step first, your mind catches up later. That's how it works. You don't build confidence by talking about it or by saying affirmations into a mirror. You build it by keeping promises to yourself, by doing the small, simple things you said you will do, especially on the days you don't feel like it. When you tell yourself you will wake up early and you actually do, when you promise to work out and you keep that promise, when you decide to take that risk and you take it, you start building a quiet strength inside you. That's confidence. Confidence is not loud. It's not about arrogance or showing off. It's that silent belief that says, I can handle this. And the belief does not appear out of nowhere, it's earned. Every time you follow through, your brain collects evidence that says, yes, I can trust myself. Yes, I can do hard things. And over time, those little wins start to pile up. They form proof. Proof becomes belief, and belief becomes confidence. So, if you are sitting there waiting to feel confident before you act, stop, because that feeling won't come until you move. Emotion follows motion. Take the smallest step possible, so small you can't fail. Maybe it's making the call, sending that message, going to the gym, studying for 10 minutes, whatever it is. Just start. Because every step forward builds evidence, and evidence is what your mind needs to start believing in you. And let's be honest, fear is not going away. You can't eliminate fear before you act. Fear does not mean you are weak, it means you are a human. It means your brain is working. But here's the truth, fear is wide, but it's not deep. The moment you step into it, it starts to fade. Action cuts through fear like light through darkness. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting to feel brave, because courage is not the absence of fear, it's doing the thing while you are scared. Confidence does not come from comfort. It comes from doing the uncomfortable again and again until it's no longer uncomfortable. You are not supposed to have it all figured out. You are not supposed to know exactly how it will go. You are supposed to start. And every time you do, every time you move despite doubt, you are not just building confidence, you are becoming the kind of person who does not need to feel ready to take action. You just act, you move, you do. That's how confidence is created. Not by words, not by waiting, but by doing. So remember this, you don't get confidence first, you earn it. You don't eliminate fear first, you walk with it. Confidence is the reward for action. Fear is the test you must face to earn it. So go, do the thing you have been avoiding. Take the step, because on the other side of fear is the version of you you have always wanted to meet.